This creator brings in 2.5 billion views every month. The RPM is just 0.25, but earnings exceed $500,000. When I researched how these videos are made, I was shocked. Creating a 60-second Jack-style video costs around $1,000 on average. Scriptwriter, editor, 3D animator, motion designer, sound designer, all for a single short video. This model isn't practical for long-term creators. I thought AI could automate this process. I watched almost every tutorial on YouTube. Either the results were low quality or the methods were overly expensive. No method was giving Jack-style animated videos. After 10 days of research, I finally found a working method to create high-quality animated videos in minutes. Today, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step process. The first step is script creation. People usually ask AI to write the script directly, so the tone, pacing, and visuals don't match. Our method is different. Open the community link in the description and download the training files. You'll get a JSON file, a sample script, and reference images. Open ChatGPT, upload the JSON file, the sample script, and the reference images. Now AI has complete training on style, tone, and structure. Paste the prompt and type your video idea. AI will generate a complete Jack-style script, along with image prompts and video prompts. We don't use text-to-video or normal video to make animations. Text-to-video is unrealistic, and video-to-video is possible, but not ideal. The best method is image-to-video. So first, we need to generate images. Open Tools in ChatGPT and select Create Image. Paste the AI-provided image prompts one by one. Each scene has 2 images, a starting frame and an ending frame. Keep characters and environments consistent. If an image isn't perfect, regenerate it. Now convert these images into animation. Open Dream Machine AI. Click the big white button and select Image Mode. Upload the first starting image and the second ending image. Paste the video prompt from ChatGPT. Generate 1 animation for each scene. For best results, try 2 to 3 attempts. Each clip is 5 seconds, so multiple clips make up the full video. Visuals are important, but voiceover controls audience retention. The best tool is 11 Labs. Open the website, go to Voices, and select Create Voice. Choose a voice design. You can type a simple description, generate an energetic Indian English voice with clear pronunciation and smooth tone, and select the best option. Paste your script and export the final voiceover. Now combine everything. Open CapCut Desktop and create a new project. Import the voiceover and place it on the timeline. Unnecessary gaps are automatically detected. Cut them to create smooth flow. Import all animation clips and arrange them according to the voiceover sequence. Add transitions like fade or blur. Use text auto captions for captions. Style the captions with a premium look. Add sound effects. Whoosh, impact, riser. These small sound details give the video a high-quality feel. With this full pipeline, you can create Jack-style animated videos in minutes without hiring editors or spending lakhs. This niche has the lowest competition and highest retention. Your improvement will be fast with each video. Consistency is the main factor for growth. Make 1 video daily, and in 30 days, you'll see the difference yourself.